Hey guys, so I couldn't upload my last hair tutorial on this. It was just way too long. I talked way too much. So I recorded this again, and I actually like it a lot better than I did the first time. Even though I'm not talking as much, it's still just straight to the point. It looked a lot better. It's a little messier, but with this look, it can be messy and there can be hairs out of place and everything, but you'll it's just a vibe. It just goes with the whole vibe. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for subscribing to my page, watching my videos, commenting. Let me know if you found this video helpful, if you really enjoyed it, if you want to even see me do more hair tutorials. My hair has gotten so long, I have no idea what to do with it anymore. I'm not going to cut it, but yeah, if you guys want me to show you how I curl my hair, how I wave it, how I straighten it, let me know. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I will be posting this makeup look that I did with the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. I didn't film it for YouTube, but I did do it for a live on Instagram, and I'll be posting some pictures of it too. So if you want to just head to my Instagram at GoldLuxK and show me some love, and that'll be good. But I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and yeah, love you guys. Bye. Okay, these are the things that you're gonna need. Rat tail comb, teaser comb, anything to tease up and part. Some hairspray, and I'll be using this cheap stuff. And some rubber bands. Basically all you're gonna need. Your hair can be pre-styled, straightened, curled. I like it curled just because it'll kind of grab more volume. Also, if it's a few days old or a few days, you know, not a few days old, but when you haven't washed it for a few days, this style works really good with that because it'll kind of give it like more texture or whatever. Anyways, you want to start off parting the hair so you can get ready to start braiding. So basically it's going to be 2 little cornrows going up to the ends. And so you don't want the part to be straight back, you want it to be going up here. So I'll take mine up like that. And then I will take the other up like that. Take my piece of hair out. And then I will clip everything. Clip it, rubber band it, do whatever you want to do. What I like to do, since my hair is smoother, it's not as textured, I have to put hairspray on it. That way it'll be easier for me to grab the hair. If not, pieces will be sliding out and stuff. And then I like to do that just to secure that I don't grab any of the hairs over here. So, yeah, I look real crazy, I know. Alright, so I'm just going to explain this a little bit to the best that I can. I'm going to take a little section and already start my braid. I like to grab from the bottom and then grab from the top. So the smaller the pieces of hair that you grab, the neater the braid's going to be, so you do really want to push for that. I know once I do the other side of my hand, it's kind of like sloppy, so it's okay. So you just want to continue braiding until you've braided a little further down. Alright, so after that, you're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Also, you don't have to worry about it being like super perfect. This is kind of like, you know, a very like punkish, urban type hairstyle. It doesn't got to be all knit and perfect if you don't want it to. So I'm going to braid the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I've already braided these two sides, which are probably messier than the other sides, but it's okay. And now to get started on the Mohawk braid. This is a really important part. I'm gonna try to explain it the best way that I can, but basically what it's gonna be is a bunch of ponytails, and we'll be splitting them in half and then tying them under one ponytail, splitting that ponytail in half, tying it under the other ponytail, splitting that ponytail in half, tying it under that ponytail. So it's just gonna be a bunch of loopies. I don't know how to call it. Okay, so first I like to start off with the front of my head. So what I like to do is spray all this front part just back like that, so that way once I connect I can add a little bit of paint. I like to go about an inch from my hairline. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect lines. It doesn't have to be all perfect and parted. Just kind of tease wherever you feel. Okay, so yeah, so then I'll usually take from about like 2 inches from there across, and this whole part alone is gonna be my first ponytail. So all this, I'll grab it, grab my rubber band, and just do a ponytail. It's gonna be really tight at first, but I promise you at the end it's gonna be bomb once we just start loosening everything up. What you want to do is make sure you pull it to where it's touching the head or the scalp. That way it's like attached and the loopies aren't going everywhere. So I like to kind of just put this one to the side, and then what I like to do is do another one. So kind of like where the braids end, I'll go across here and do another ponytail. These two ponytails is you're gonna take the first ponytail, you're gonna split it in half, right? Take the second ponytail, bring it over that part, and you can clip it, pin it, hold it with your mouth, whatever you want to do. So that way these will be looping over that second ponytail. So when you grab your other section of hair, section of hair, you will ponytail. You grab your other section, you add these pieces right there, and then you do a ponytail. Just like that. And then you just continue doing that for the rest of your hair. So you continue parting in half, bringing the other ponytail up for the rest of it. All right. Okay, so once we got at least the head part done, that's when I like to start separating everything. I know this looks crazy. Imagine if I walked out my house like this. Probably people would think I'm on crack. Okay, so I like to just kind of spray a little bit more, and then I grab, and I'm just not like too specific with it. I just grab, and then so depending how high you want your little bumpy to be, it's up to you if you need to add like bobby pins or anything. So that's usually how I do it. Like that. All right, so then you got your first little bumpy volume up. I probably should use the different hairspray, but this is all I got. So then next you go with that first loop, and then what you do is you grab it, and then you just pull it like that. My nails are almost done. So like that. So usually when I can see it on the side of my head, I'm good. And then you go to the next one, and then you pull it out too. Okay. So you pull it out, then you go to the next one, pull it out, that. So there you can see it's already looking good. So that's the third one. You can pull it out as far as you want to. So like that. So here you see when I turn my head, I can see, I can't really see on this side probably because it's not like directly in the middle. So like that. And then for the towel, what you continue doing is the same thing. Going over, tying it under, going over, tying it under, going over, tying it under.